Hi guys, it's Dee from SARA Designs, and my partner in crime is upstairs in her room playing video games, I believe. We went out today and now she's exhausted and said she was going upstairs. We did a couple hauls today. One of them we're going to film tomorrow. I'm going to film with her. It's a makeup haul. But this one I want to do now is a Tuesday morning haul. Once again, you know that's one of my favorite stores. Our favorite stores, hers as well. But I wanted to use up some of my items tonight, so I decided that I'm going to shoot the video real quick so that I can open stuff up and play. Anyway, subscribe to the videos. Give me a thumbs up. Give us some loving. And we're going to get right into the video really quickly. It won't be too long. Anyway, Tuesday morning, 2 nights, we went and got this big block rubber stamp. It's called it says large tag stamp. There's the numbers on it, if you can see. I don't know why people want the numbers. Maybe somebody could tell me why you want the numbers. Maybe you can order it online. Is that what they do? I don't know. Anyway, it was originally $10.99. We got it for $4.49. It's a cool little, I guess I would use it as a background stamp. I like background stamps, so that's that. As you may or may not know, we are big campers. We camp off as much as we can. We have a little camper, it's a little pop-up, but we enjoy it. So I found this cut and emboss. It cuts and embosses. Die cut, and it is originally $9.99. We got it for $3.99. It says Die Happy Camper. Die Happy Camper. Oh my. There's a number there. So anyway, it says Happy Camper. Little tank. It's cute. Don't you think? I do. Alright. I was back and forth on this one because I like dies. I like the dies. I like stencils. I like anything card making and paper crafting and whatever. Anyway, they had a big square one. Big square die. It's kind of like this, but it was a big square one. And it had all these little leaves going all around it. It would be square and like kind of going all around the card. And then you would put your sentiment or whatever inside. So I was back and forth between that one, which was $9.99, or this one, which was $3.99. Originally $7.99. There's the number. This little leafy thing. I picked this one because I figured, all right, that one I'm kind of stuck where I have to stay with what they give you. Like, it is what it is. This one I can maneuver. I can cut things out. I can move it all around and do what I want with it. So I picked this one. The other one also had some flower dies with it that you could put flowers on, but I have some little flower dies, so I can just do that with it. This one here from Sizzix, it's one of those big thick dies. It is, what is it called? It says here, Animal Dress Ups Baby Accessories. This was on their clearance rack for 60% off. What is yellow? 60% off, I think it was. Originally $15.99, $7.99. I don't know where my receipt is, or I would tell you how much I actually paid for it, but you can do the math. I think it was 60% off. I'm not too thrilled with the way they colored this in, but I thought it would be cute. I don't know what these are supposed to be. Maybe pockets? Bibs? I have no thing. Feet? It said animal. I don't know. I don't know what these are. But anyway, I can't turn up a bargain, so pass up a bargain. Sure. I got it. What did I do with the receipt? I'm looking for it right now, guys, and I'm so sorry. I'm not more better prepared. Look in my wallet, and what do I find? Family Dollar receipt. That's not it. I don't know where the receipt is for it, so I can't tell you what it was. Okay, just figure 60% off of $7.99. So 60% off of $8. Whatever. Do the math. Figure it out yourself. There you go. All right. Also, I got this, something like this the other day. It was this one on sale, $4.99. This was Pink is 20%. Orange is 40%, and then this is yellow is 60%. So anyway, I got this one, and I was telling a story, if you watch my other video, how the girl at the register who works there says, oh, that's really cool. See, it's a stamp set. How do they get it so it stamps the colors? Like, she thought when you stamped it, these colors showed up. So I had to explain to her, no, it's clear stamp, but they just... Actually, let's look. Now that I think about it, it's probably just the packaging. Look, it is. It's just the packaging. Idiot lady. But anyway, it was a funner story. So I went back and got this because I wanted these mainly. I like these little things, are cute. Thinking of you with love. Have a great day. Best wishes. Not so much this because I'm sure I probably already have these, but these little stamps, they were cute. Originally $13, got it for $4.99, and it was on sale for 40% off. Next I got, originally $19.99, got it for $9.99 plus 40% off. This is a die from Sizzix. It's Big's die. I don't know what it's called. But anyway, I opened it. And what do we get? We get the circle, which pretty cool. You get the little taggy thing right here. This little tag, can you see it? I don't know. And then you get the little bow. Cute, right? Then, as a bonus, I'm like, what the heck is this? It says, place this side down. I've never seen a die like this. I'm like, what is this? Open it up. Voila! How cute is that? So, I can't wait to play with this stuff. That was my haul. Now, Sarah... Oh, no. I got more stuff. I'm going to bring it up. Give me a second. Bear with me. Bear with me. Okay. In the paper section, they had this wedding set, DIY project stack. And I was like, okay, well, it's the wedding things. Now, you can cut these out, I don't know if you can see, and make things with it. Like this would be a bow. Tells you here, this is a bird. Did they cut out? This is some kind of box or something. I don't know. The only directions I saw was here. On the very last page. Directions for a flower. Which, I was like, what the heck are these things? Apparently they're petals and all for a flower. So it's like, oh, that's pretty cool. So this was originally $19.99. Got it for $4.99. There's the number if you want it. That was that one. I also got this one, as you may or may not know. I am addicted to stencils. Love them. This is originally $19.99. I got it for $5.99. Again, there's the number. This has reusable stencil sheets. Has 2 of them. 22 printed cardstocks. And 8 craft sheets. And guess what? It's pretty cool. I don't know what I do with it. I just thought it was cool. Cardstock. It's pretty cool. I'll go through it real quick. You get 2 sheets of each. The normal, it's kind of heavy duty. Nice cardstock. It's only one-sided, printed on one side. Pretty cool, right? Then you get in the back craft sheets. They're 12 by 12. The cool thing is, check out these. Can you guys see? Look at this one. Very, very cool stencils. They're plastic, obviously, as you can see. So, on the back, it shows some things you could do with it. Gives you some ideas here. So, that's that. Now, I'll show you some more stuff. We're almost done, guys. Alright, I found this tape the other day. I got the 1.5 or no, 1/2 inch. This one is, no, this is 1/2 inch. The other one was a 1/4 inch. I don't remember now. I gotta look. I lied. It's the exact same thing. Half inch, $1.99. This was the last one they had the other day when I was there, and now they had one more, so I grabbed it. $1.99. Oops, it was originally $5.29. This is premium double-sided permanent from Home Hobby. There's the number. Tape. Next. I thought I got 3 of these, but apparently I only got 2, and I didn't realize I got the same similar colors. Not really, but sort of. 99 cents each. Little washi tapes. Originally $1.99. One color is... I don't even know. Let's put on the glasses, D. Phthalo blue. This one is Verdian. I don't know. I don't know. It's not English to me anyway. Anyway, washi tapes. Also been looking all over the place for this special, I think it's Tombow eraser that erases like ink and stuff off of cards. And I never find it. I should get it online, but I never do. But anyway, I found these 3 eco-friendly eco erasers. They were on sale. It was originally $5.99. Got it for $1.99, or I got it less than $1.99 because they were on sale. But there's 3 of them. I already opened it. Little gummy erasers. Non-toxic eraser. Pretty cool. However, doesn't do ink. Thought it would. Doesn't. Thought I was like, ooh, found something. Ding, ding, ding. No. But it's an eraser nonetheless. Next we have $1.49. 40% off. These little embellishment sticker thingies, 3D. This is, what are they calling this? Music. Not original. This one here, maybe the orange was 80% or not. I don't know. I don't know, guys. Yellow, orange, pink. What's the other color they have? I don't know. But anyway, go to your Tuesday morning and figure it out. I think the pink is 20%. Did I get through this already? I don't know. 60% off for 49 cents. This one is really not too thrilled with this. L33T. I don't even know what that means. This is like computer stuff. I'm not antisocial, just not user friendly. Does not compute. Woot, bite me. There's no place like 127, whatever. It's all computer stuff. Originally $2.19, got it for less than 49 cents. Here's a zombie one, 3D stickers from Paper House products. Originally $3.99, $1.49, then it was on sale again. These are cool. They're like 3D. Look. Sarah likes the Halloween zombie, all kinds of creepy, scary stuff. So I got that for her to play with. There was a container of sequins that I don't know where they disappeared to, but I will find them in a second. I got these precision pens. I already have them, but they were only $3.99 and they were on sale. So 0.01, 03, 05, and 8 millimeter. Is that what they are? Point size. They're black. They're good pens. I like them. Alright, let me show you Sarah. Oh, here's the sequins. I found them. These blue sequins. There's little ones and big ones in there. Aren't they pretty? Like blue, like mermaidy color. Originally $3.99. Got it for $1.99. There's your number. Can you see it? There you go. Now, Sarah stuff. Sarah got a little makeup bag. It's cloth. Oh, pretty. Flowers with the little skull on it. It's called Tokyo Milk. I don't know. Tuesday morning. There's the number. Retail closeout $6.99. Got a gold zipper. It's pretty big actually. Cute, cute, cute. She got Erase Your Face reusable makeup removing cloth for sensitive skin. Originally $11.99. She got it for $4.99. There's 2 cloths in here. I guess you wet it, and I don't know. That's hers. Shows that she loves cats. We have 5 of them in the house right now, actually. Little cat. How cute is that? Oh, little notebook. It was $1.99. I know that. It was at the register. Originally $4. And then she got 4 NYX Love in Paris. 3 of them are Love in Paris eyeshadows. 2 of them are the same. $10 each. She got them for $2.99. This one was $10, $2.99. $10, $2.99. This was Love in Florence. So the different colors she got of eyeshadow. She'll probably get mad at me because I didn't swatch them, but she also got this jumbo makeup brush. It's from Beauty Muse Pro. Originally $6.99. She got it for $2.99. There's the number, if you need to see it. Last but not least, oh no, one more item from Sarah. This is a basket. Can I zoom you out? No, it's just a basket. Trust me, it's large, but it's a basket. I got it. It was originally $8.99. Got it for $4.99. There is the number. It's a cool little basket, black and white stripe. So Sarah had put all her stuff in it when she was walking around the store. So when I was cleaning up taking stuff out of the cart, I put that on there too. And after we got in the car, she's like, I didn't want the basket. I was just putting my stuff in to walk around the store with it. Well, I didn't know we already got it. So, and as you know, if you know Sarah, you know she loves these shimmer mists. She's got Every Color Under the Sun by Tattered Angels. These were $9.99. I don't know what the original price was. This is how it's marked. Taped together. There was probably 5 of them in a package because that's usually how they come. But some are missing. She claims, they're pretty, aren't they? Little shimmer mist. She claims that even though they're the same colors, it'll say whatever blue. Like, what color blue is this? I don't know. Whatever color blue it is. And she said every one of these blues spray a different color. Like, they're not the same shade or hue or whatever. So she gets them all. She got a big huge container full. So that is it. That was our Tuesday morning haul, guys. So I hope you enjoyed it. Sorry that Sarah's not here to do this with me, but she's upstairs, and like I said, I wanted to play tonight. So it is Saturday night here. It is snowing in the Northeast. It's supposed to be in the 50s tomorrow, so it's the weather for you. Anyway, thanks for watching. So make sure you subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up. Lots of love. And hope you all have a good night. And stay tuned for another video. We're going to do a makeup video tomorrow of our makeup haul we got. So stay tuned for that if you're interested. Otherwise, have a good night. And I'll talk to you next time. Thanks, guys. Bye.